look like you could use a drink, my friend. Especially after what they did to you. But I'd be lying if I said I'm not glad to see you.
Hey, I've never seen you around here before. Well, you sure picked a bad time for a visit, stranger. Something weird is going on in this town. Everyone's talking about it.
Oh, it's you. You're, back. Do you remember this place? They've taken over the church. I don't dare to go there anymore.
So, you're awake. I barely recognized you. If you're looking for the church, it's over there. Nobody has been in there since those things desecrated it.
Excuse me, stranger. I saw that you went into the church. If you're going back there, maybe you can help me? See? I've lost my friend, my best and only friend. Could you please find him and bring him back to me? Please. Balboa! I never thought I would see you again. Thank you for bringing him back to me, stranger.